proposed animation of KCU by youth director Victoria Clay and KCU Union Director Pastor Kello Tutok.
이거 받아라 그냥 거민이라 victoria 때 그 받아보다라 들어왔고. 그 KCU Ministry of Support to United States of America. 사라 오다라 FM이가 기도 비시터. 그러 아다토라 아다비다 마르파터. 러브 파도 피가 그 아메리카 Palati Tasitana Fati Lemura Ego Church, Love Umu Matwe, Master Chico, Kuna, Potopua, Atato Tato, the tablet Tessa Pado, Pomiko, Chibu Copola. He Love the Turpo, Serpo, the Novo Palaco, America, Lord, Ubu, and no Vinodra, the Hikapurna, Papa, Hikapurna, Pamipa, Pipuna, Pipuna, the only Makali, Kasitana, the Tabutaba, to look at Lupato. Third, love KV Bab, Hopipa, the 8th, Takubakuze, Tamalumado, Dr. Kekukena, Love Ye, Peter Thomas, the people of Guadeloupe. Third, Louis, maybe, Pumi Bandala, Paco, Paco, Ted, one Paco, Love the Soccer Master, Guadeloupe, Paco, Ted, Pro. Kama mana kama terima kama cuma wajib pak bandong dan gloria tahu kepada Tuhan.
We're now in the KCU purpose and mission. The first one is to recognize and uphold the American principle of in God we trust in all aspects of our existence, supporting our leaders, following the law, and acting responsibly as citizens. 2. To obtain a list of all Qurans recited in America, to uphold and cherish the customs and cultures of our forebears, and to live our lives in accordance with what our faith teaches us. 3. To encourage our children to take advantage of the knowledge and education they have received so that they can become great leaders to provide assistance to our country and people. Lastly, 4. Because we, the Quran, were once refugees, we wish to assist our people who are seeking safety, running from their homes, experiencing horror, and facing persecution.